you're probably gonna have to edit this part out, but. Hi, my name is Brian Keys, and I'm the supervisor for the Portland Equipment Department. PM services is preventative maintenance. It's really just an agreement between us and the customer, and it's saying, hey, we're gonna reserve you time on our calendar to come in and pay a visit and look at any equipment that you want. So they could have a stretch wrapper, a strapper, a piece of shrink equipment, and we could do one or we could do all three. And it would really be just the tech going in, servicing that equipment, cleaning it up, oil, lube, but it's kind of all encompassing. What does the customer need and how can we service them? Emergency fixes are really, hey, I need somebody out here like in an hour. We excel at that. So usually we can redirect somebody who's heading to a typical, repair or PM job and reroute them to that emergency to get that customer up and running. It's time sensitive. They have food sitting on the conveyor. Ultra important that we get them up and running immediately. New product installs. So if it's anything from a very complex conveyorized automatic stretch wrapping system all the way down to a simple vacuum. Of course, they're treated differently, but the main goal in the end is getting the customer up and running properly, and then just really making sure that we're taking our time, doing it right, following the manufacturer's directions for the specific installation, and really just getting it perfect for them. The JanSan equipment, it gets treated a little different. We like to bring it in-house just because we can. The comfort level here is all my tools are available. I won't be in the way of the customer. So if we can get the JanSan equipment picked up, brought back here, we can do a proper diagnosis and really just get the repair done right. We have enough parts here to service the bigger moving items, the vacuum bags, the belts, the brushes, all of those type of items that we have on our shelf. The customer can call and we can turn that around, and either they can come, we'll call it that day, or we can get it delivered the next day on our regular route truck. I've been here at WCP for almost 22 years. I like working at WCP. One of my favorite things is working with my tech team. They're fantastic guys. Every one of them brings something, a little different flavor. And then outside of our department, I haven't worked in very many places, and I think that's a huge testament as to why. Is because the people who work here in our division across the company are just frankly awesome. It's a pleasure to come to work. It's a pleasure to work with the people outside of our department, and especially the guys on our team. It's just fantastic.